Hey learners, welcome back to the channel. Before we explore all the amazing features Trello offers for project and task management, let's address one of the most common questions I hear. Is Trello really free? And if not, what exactly do you get in the free plan? And when do you need to pay? In this video, I will give you a clear overview of Trello's free versus paid option, what's available today, and where you can get the most up-to-date information on each plan. Whether you are a complete beginner or long-time Trello user, this will help you decide which version best fit your project management needs. So let's get right into it and break down Trello's pricing and plans.
Hello everyone. Before learning about all of the amazing features that Trello offers when it comes to both task and project management, I first want to address a very common question. Is Trello really free? And if not, what's free and what do I need to pay for? To be honest, this is a constantly moving target. So rather than breaking down all of your options in excruciating detail, I invite you to visit the Trello pricing page at trello.com/pricing so you can get a clear sense of whether the free version is going to suit your needs versus all of the various paid options. And you can see that as of recording this lesson, we have 4 options: the free option, the standard option, the premium option, and the enterprise option. All of the prices that go with each of those, as well as a detailed grid of all of the various features for each of the various plans. So I invite you to review all of these to see which is the best fit for you. And then down here, I also want to make sure you know there's a series of frequently asked questions. And speaking of frequently asked questions, one that you might be wondering, especially if you are a Trello OG, what about Trello Gold? Since Trello was acquired by Atlassian, they have since retired the Trello Gold option. So if you're a Trello OG like I am, you either currently have the Trello Gold subscription or you're wondering where are the feature sets. It is no longer available. So once again, I direct you to trello.com/pricing so you can look at these 4 different pricing tiers to find the best one that suits your needs. So now that we've taken a quick tour of where you can learn about which Trello option is best for you, now it's time to start digging into some of Trello's standard features.
And that's your quick tour of Trello's free versus paid option. As you now know, Trello offers different plans depending on your needs, and while the free version is great for getting started, advanced paid features might make sense once your projects and your team grow. But here's the exciting part, Trello is just one tool in the bigger world of project management. If you would like to learn how to use Trello effectively alongside generative AI and really future-proof your career, check out our complete course, Generative AI for Project Management, over at nirvanaskills.com. And here's something special just for you. If you want an exclusive guide on how to become an AI-driven project manager from scratch, drop a comment down below with the word AIPM. I will send it over to you personally so you can kickstart your journey. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so don't miss the next lesson where we will start looking at some of the Trello powerful features in action. See you soon.